long 19th century, as defined by Eric Hobsbawm, a British Marxist historian and author, was the period between the years 1789 and 1914. Hobsbawn lays out his analysis in The Age of Revolution, Europe 1789 to 1848, The Age of Capital, 1848 to 1875, and The Age of Empire, 1875 to 1914. The concept is influenced by Fernand Braudel's idea of the long 16th century. According to Hobsbawn, the long 19th century begins with the French Revolution that established a republic in Europe and ends with the start of World War I, upon the conclusion of which in 1918 the long-enduring European power balance of the 19th century proper was eliminated. In a sequel to the above-mentioned trilogy, The Age of Extremes, the short 20th century, 1914 to 1991, Hobsbawn details the short 20th century beginning with World War I and ending with the fall of the Soviet Union. A more generalized version of the long 19th century, lasting from 1750 to 1914, is often used notably by textbook author and professor of history at George Mason University, Peter N. Stearns. In religious contexts, specifically those concerning the history of the Catholic Church, the long 19th century was a period of centralization of papal power over the Church. This centralization was in opposition to the increasingly centralized nation-states and contemporary revolutionary movements, and used many of the same organizational and communication techniques as its rivals. The Church's long 19th century extended from the French Revolution until the death of Pope Pius XII.